Like you asked me Billy, now you will answer this question.
Okay.
Answer it. भाई साहब ये कभी सपने में भी गैस ना कर पाऊं मैं तो मुझे उसका नाम ही नहीं पता है.
Guess the cricketer name. Okay, you can guess.
Okay. Whether he is a batsman, bowler, or wicket keeper?
Bowler.
Bowler. Plays for India?
No.
Retired?
No, he does not play for India.
International cricketer,
Yeah.
cricketer, right? Okay. Which country? USA? No.
Huh? USA? Okay.
South Africa?
No.
Okay, not South Africa. Australia?
No.
West Indies?
No.
New Zealand?
No.
England?
No.
Zimbabwe?
No.
Bangladesh?
No.
Afghanistan?
No.
Sri Lanka?
हाँ, Sri Lanka.
Okay. Whether he plays, whether he has played for Mumbai Indians or not?
No.
Okay. Whether he was a part of 2011 World Cup?
Yes.
He was a bowler?
Yes.
Like he used to bat?
No. He was a plain bowler.
Any other basically hint for this cricketer?
He used to play for Chennai also.
Chennai. This Muthaiya Muralidharan.
Correct.
Now you can guess.
Okay, he is an Indian or a foreign cricketer?
He is a international cricketer.
Okay, did he play for Australia,
No.
South Africa,
No.
Afghanistan,
No.
England?
Yes.
Okay, is he currently playing or is he retired?
He retired.
He's a bowler?
Some scandal was going on when he was playing, so he had to retire. Like,
Ah, yes. I know that player. The bar scandal, right?
I won't tell you the scandal because I have given you a biggest hint.
Okay.
I can't give you
Is
more than.
he Ben Stokes?
No.
Arey, wait. I want few more hints.
You said Ben Stokes. No. He's not currently playing. I told you. Now you can take this.
What's the player name?
Peterson.
KP.
Even the cameraman can guess.
Okay, now you guess.
Currently playing? The cricketer is currently playing?
No.
International cricketer?
Yes.
He plays for Australia?
No.
South Africa?
No.
England?
No.
West Indies?
No.
Sri Lanka?
No.
Bangladesh?
No.
Afghanistan?
No.
कौन सा?
You
Pakistan?
Yeah, he's a Pakistani.
Okay, he was a batsman or a bowler?
He was a batsman.
Batsman. Injamamul Haq.
अबे कैसे guess कर लिया बे?
I know, like I love cricket. Come on.
Okay, अरे.
Okay. Sorry.
International cricket.
Yes.
Is he Indian?
No.
South African?
No.
Afghanistan?
No.
Bangladesh?
No.
Sri Lanka?
No.
New Zealand? Pakistan? England? USA? West Indies? Okay. Brian Lara?
No, not at all.
Okay.
You didn't even ask whether he is playing or not.
Is he retired or a player?
No, he is still playing.
Okay. Jason Holder?
No.
Okay. Is he a bowler?
All rounder.
Wayne Bravo?
No. He is currently playing.
Is
He
he a
is
spinner?
retired. No.
साला कौन है बे?
He plays for KKR. इससे ज़्यादा
Sunil
hint
Narain?
No.
No?
No. There is one more player.
अरे वो उसका नाम क्या है यार? रसल.
Yes.
Andrew Russell.
Andrew Russell. Correct. He is a batsman, bowler, or wicket keeper.
He's a wicket keeper.
Again?
Yes.
Okay. All rounder? No. Like definitely.
How can a wicket keeper be an all rounder?
Okay. Whether he is currently playing or not.
Yeah, he's playing.
Okay. He was a part of T20 World Cup? This T20.
Yes.
Okay. Then I can guess Rishabh Pant.
No. Wrong.
Obviously wrong हो गया. रुक जा.
Okay. Now you guess. Okay, the answer is Sanju Samson.
Now you guess.
Okay. Is he an Indian?
Yes.
Is he an opener?
Yes.
Did he play into the international this T20 World Cup?
No.
Okay. Was he a part of earlier cricket team? Did he play any international matches?
Yes.
Is Ruturaj Gaikwad?
No.
Is it
No,
Ruturaj
no, it was Shubman Gill. No.
You can guess.
Okay. Yeah, is he a Indian cricketer?
No.
Okay. Then he plays for which country?
Sorry, I cannot give that hint.
No, you can tell me like whether he is a Australian player,
No.
South African.
Yes.
Okay, current playing cricketer or
No,
he
he
has
has
retired.
retired from all the forms.
Whether he has played for RCB.
Yes.
ABD. Okay, okay, okay. Now you can guess.
Is he international player?
Yes.
Does he belong to Australia?
No.
South Africa?
No.
Sri Lanka?
No.
पाकिस्तान?
No.
जिम्बाब्वे?
No.
और कौन सी कंट्री है भाई? हाँ, is he an England player?
No.
West Indies?
Yes.
Okay. Is he an opener at West Indies?
Like he was. He is not currently playing.
Chris Gayle.
Yes. Whether he is an international cricketer.
Yeah, he is an international cricketer.
He plays for Sri Lanka.
No.
He plays for Australia.
Yes.
He's a bowler, batsman or wicket keeper.
Batsman. Majority batsman.
Majority matlab like he balls.
No, he used to ball in his county crickets.
How do I know about the county cricket?
Okay.
Come on. Okay. Like currently he's just a batsman, right?
Yeah, he is retired.
Any hint like you can give?
He was the captain.
Ricky Ponting.
No.
Oh no!
Captain in South Africa. One of the worst Australian captain.
Shane Warne.
Wrong. Shane Warne was best captain. He was never a captain, but he was the best player.
कहना क्या चाहते हो?
Andrew Simons.
Wrong.
Like any other hint because it's very tough. His name starts with.
No. That hint I cannot give. Sorry.
Start
You'll
with
have
the
to be
word.
ready. You'll have to be ready.
No, I didn't answer. Still, I didn't answer.
You'll have to be ready.
No.
Okay. He was the captain for Australia during 15 and 16. No, a very short span.
Warner.
Wrong. George Bailey.
भाई साहब ये कभी सपने में भी गैस ना कर पाऊं मैं तो मुझे उसका नाम ही नहीं पता है
Okay.
जॉर्ज बेली अब मैं भी हार्ड पूछूंगा तो देख बस अब ओके हाँ बदला ओके नाउ यू कैन गेस
Is he South African?
नो
Sri Lankan?
नो
Australian?
यस
Okay. Was he the captain?
नो
Was he a spinner?
नो
Was he a fast bowler? You don't know.
नो ही वाज
Okay,
नॉट
he was a batsman, right?
यस
Okay. So did he play for any IPL this
yes but very less matches for IPL
RCB?
I don't remember the team maybe it was Deccan Chargers I guess he played for I'm not sure
Deccan Chargers. Okay. Is he currently playing international cricket?
no
He's retired. Was he the captain?
of which team
Australian team?
no
Okay. So Deccan Chargers.
I'm not sure whether he was a captain of Australian team, but like how much I know about cricket, he was not.
Was he part of World Cup squad?
Might be. Not this one. Very early phases, like maybe in 15.
Adam Gilchrist?
No,
Okay. Andrew Simons?
no.
Was he present into that Monkey Gate issues?
I don't know. This is too many hints I have given you. Like you asked me Billy. Now you will answer this question.
Okay.
Answer it.
No, I'm not aware.
Cameron White.
When did Cameron White play for Deccan Chargers, man?
You can search.